Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix autocorrect not working after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So do not waste any time. First of all, you have make sure autocorrect is on your iPhone. So you have check the autocorrect is turned on or off on your iPhone. So you have open the setting and click on general, and then you have click on keyboard, and then auto correction I have already turned on. Then you have must be turned on your iPhone. So you have second option is enable predictive detective text. So you have again open the setting and click on general, and then click on keyboard. Then you have check from predictive is enabled, and then check spelling is turned on. I have already uh, two options, check spelling and predictive, turn on. So other solution, you have restart your iPhone. So you have go back from here, then you have volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed. 10 to 20 seconds pattern, then mobile is restart and fix this problem. So other solution, you have remove text, replace shortcuts. So you have open the setting and then click on general and keyboard, and then text replacement, then you have remove from here. So you have from here delete, then you have remove from replacement, and then other solution, you have update your iPhone or iPad. So you have again open the setting and click on general, and then software update is available on your iPhone. Then you have update your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed. Other solution, you have a reset keyboard dictionary. So you have open the setting and click on general, transfer or reset, then click reset, then reset dictionary, keyboard dictionary from here, and then iPhone given a passcode, and then your problem will be fixed. Then last solution, you have reset all setting. So you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, do not lose any data from here. So only reset your setting, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.